Welcome to Volatility 411. Welcome to week 3 of the national quarantine. Welcome to 2,500 and the S&P 500. We've been here a few times lately. Seems like a key support / resistance level. It's starting to turn into a magnet, and market keeps on drifting back here. Whether we're above it or below it, we keep on getting sucked back into this 2,500 level. Now, the S&P 500 and the market for itself is just starting to get through the worst of it on two levels. Of course, the COVID-19 numbers, they're just starting to get the worst. Hopefully in the next few weeks we'll see it start to crest and taper off. We haven't yet gotten there, and it's still going to get worse before it gets better. The economic data is the other numbers that are going to be the worst. So we're starting to see some of the carnage that's happening out there in the economy. It's just getting bad, and we expect it to get worse before it gets better. That said, the VIX may have already peaked. Maybe the VIX is going to be the first sign that it gets better, starting to get better. So the VIX one was on its low, was at $85, almost $90 when the market was creating at $21.50 in the S&P 500. We've passed the bailout package since then. A lot of companies' bankruptcies are off the table. And now we're at this 50 level in the VIX, 56 on the high for the VIX this morning. Last week when the market was 2,500, the VIX was 70. So maybe there's some signs that the vol is coming in. You look under the table at the VVIX, that was at 177 the last time the S&P 500 was 2,500. Right now it's at 150. So maybe there's some signs that we're not going to see the 7% moves. However, 4% moves, which we are seeing, yeah, those are pretty volatile, and they're volatile enough. Now, are we going to retest the low? A lot of people are speculating that we have to do that, maybe even go a little lower. Go back in history, previous corrections, we will do that. But this is obviously different, and as any good volatility trader will tell you, the market can go lower or higher. So we'll be watching all that. We'll be watching the VIX specifically. It'll be hard from my perspective to see it make a new high if the market is on a new low. So maybe that'll be a sign that some of this selling is getting exhausted. For Equity Armor Investments, I am Joe Tigay.